A lot of people worry that automatic bill payments mean losing control. I hear it all the time. Folks say, "I'm afraid the money will disappear before I notice." And here's the thing. Without the right steps, that can happen. A forgotten subscription or unplanned charge could overdraft your account. But with a few simple moves, you can set up autopay to work for you, not against you. The first step is picking the right account to use for automatic payments. I usually recommend a basic checking account with no overdraft fees if possible. That way, if something ever goes wrong, you avoid extra charges. Make sure the account is easy to monitor. Online access is a must these days. Some banks even let you set up alerts by email or text. That's a great safety tool. Only keep the money you need in this account, just enough to cover bills. Not every bill should be on autopay. Picking the right ones is key. I always suggest starting with the fixed bills, the ones that don't surprise you. That could be your mortgage, your Medigap premium, or your Netflix subscription. Avoid setting autopay for bills that change a lot, like credit card balances or monthly utilities, until you're confident. When in doubt, pay a bill manually for a few months while tracking it. One of the best ways to stay in control is using a simple calendar system. I use a paper calendar on my fridge. Others like digital versions. Whichever way you decide to do it, just be consistent. Mark which bills are paid automatically and when. This helps you spot anything missing and make sure you always have funds ready. Especially if your income comes on specific days like Social Security, lining up the timing is important. This chart shows the average timing of monthly retirement income versus common bill due dates. Even with autopay, you want an easy way to double-check things. Most bank apps today give you a transaction list with dates and amounts. If an app feels tricky, print out a monthly log sheet. It still works great. You can also set reminders on your phone or sticky notes near your desk. The goal isn't perfection. It's just to catch surprises quickly before they become problems. This graph shows the percentage of retirees using digital tools to manage their bills as of 2025. Mistakes can happen even with a great system. That's why you want backups. I always recommend setting up overdraft protection, but only through linking to savings, not credit cards. Credit card overdrafts usually come with sky-high fees or interest. Not worth it. Also, consider setting a low balance alert. Many banks offer them for free. And every few months, review your linked accounts and payment list. Clean up anything you no longer use. What this really comes down to for you is staying aware without doing extra work. Here's your simple action plan for getting automatic payments working safely. Pick one secure account, auto-pay only your stable bills, log this information, and set some alerts. If this helped, feel free to hit subscribe or pass it along to a friend who might need a nudge. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice.